Mastering the art of on-page SEO, tips and tricks. Number one, conduct keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful on-page SEO strategy. It involves identifying the most relevant high-traffic keywords that your target audience uses to find, identifying and most relevant products and services like yours. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to conduct keyword research. 2, optimize your page titles and meta descriptions. Your page titles and meta descriptions are the first thing that users see when they search your website on search engines. Therefore, it is crucial to optimize to attract the clicks and to improve your click-through rate. Number 3, use header tags. Header tags arrange text to make it simpler to read. They also signal to search engines what your context is about, making them an important on-page SEO element. Number 4, optimize your images. Images provide visual interest to your materials. However, they can also slow down your website loading speed. So you want to keep a strong arm on this. Number 5, improve your website loading speed. Website loading speed is crucial for on-page SEO factors that can impact the ranking and user experience. Slow loading websites can result in higher bounce rates, lower user engagement, and decrease conversions. Number 6, publish high quality content. On-page SEO performance depends on high quality, relevant, and useful content. Your materials should be keyword optimized and useful to the readers. Number 7, optimize your URLs. Your URL structure is an important on-page SEO element that can impact the ranking of the user experience. So your URLs should be short, descriptive, and include target keywords. You should also use hyphens to separate the words in the URLs opposed to underscores. Again, these are the on-page SEO methods that can optimize your web page and boost your search engine rankings. You may improve your website exposure and traffic by doing keyword research, optimizing your page titles and meta descriptions, utilizing header tags, optimizing pictures, boosting your website loading speed, boosting high quality content, and optimizing the URLs. Remember that on-page SEO is one of the most important things you can do with SEO. Off-page SEO, such as link building and social media marketing, help boost ranks and visitors. Combining on-page and off-page SEO tactics help you and your website to rank better in search engines, and it results to a higher generation and possibility for conversions and more relevant visitors. Thank you.